LeBron 17 currencies. Here you go, you guys. Pegasus Turbos, you guys. Holy crap. Holy crap. Because you know why? Because you get that 20% off on top of that. This is definitely the first one of these Air Max 97s that we've seen. LeBron 7 China Moons. Not too bad. Not too bad. What's going on, YouTube? Currently, what, Wednesday? Wednesday, yeah. Grand Center, 20% off. I called earlier, so I was told they got 20% off everything. So let's see what's up, you guys. It is currently what, 8:10. So they close 8:09. So it closes in 51 minutes. See what we can find, you guys. More than that, these, man. I've already seen like 3 of these. 200 bucks. At least you get that 20% off. $40 off. Not bad. Still in the size 10. Got second one of those. Alpha Dunks, you guys, going for 90 bucks, man. These came out for 180. They came out for 180 when they did, man. I don't know what the hell they were thinking trying to get that much. But yeah, man, 90 bucks. 90 bucks at the outlet. I got one. I wasn't able to sell it still. Dang. Air Max Plus, still going for 95, get 20% off. Dang, it's like stuff that I've seen like a million times. 100 bucks for these 95s, 80 bucks after the discount. And right under that, got some Animal 3s. Go for 2 1/4. Those have to be going on sale soon, man, because there's so many of them. So many of them, you guys. And then right next to it, so many of those too. Crazy. I've never seen this colorway of the Air Force Max. Air Force Max High. I've never seen that colorway, dude. White with pink. What these going for? All right, let's cut to that. Going for 80 bucks, get 20% off. What these going for? What these going for? Got the all, just the currencies, right? Currencies. LeBron 17 currencies going for 200. Get that 20% off really helps out because that drops it down to 160. 160, not bad. And I don't think these have been ever on sale at any of the retailers quite yet. Okay, this is an interesting colorway of the 720s. What you guys think about this colorway? Not bad. It's an interesting colorway. Go for 100 bucks. Get that 20% off. They have a crap ton of the 720s, you guys. A bunch of them. This one's going for 105. The rest of them are going for 100. Get that 20% off. So 80, pretty much 80 bucks for most of them. 80 for those. 80 for those. Did we see that colorway? 80 for those. This is all in the size 10 too, by the way. Alright, so these have been sitting. We saw these a few days ago or a couple days ago, and people were telling me how dope these are. And yeah, they've been sitting, dude. I think 190 is a little too much for most people, especially for the 720s because they're always on sale here. So yeah, they're chilling, you guys. Damn, you guys, look at this. $59.99 for these. What's it called? Pegasus Turbo, you guys. These go for $180. I haven't seen these anywhere for under, I don't think under 100. And these are going for 60. Give me Here you go, you guys. Pegasus Turbos, you guys. Holy crap. These go for $180. $180, and they got them for $59.99. I had my boy Armando check. And yeah, man, these come out as samples, which they're not really originally meant to be sold. They're probably tested out. That's probably why they got a couple of creases. But yeah, they're supposed to be tested out. They're kind of, you guys know what samples are. So yeah, so they weren't meant to be sold. So they just cleared them out. 60 bucks, and you get 20% off. So these are gonna be $48. $48. That's definitely the find of the day. Holy crap. Holy crap, that's crazy. These Pegasus Turbo, they're getting $105 for those. At least you get 20% off. Goes up to what, 85? Vomeros, this pretty much gives you all react with some Zoom Air inside, man. Hella comfortable. Not as comfortable as the Pegasus Turbos, obviously, but yeah, 80 bucks, and you get that 20% off. Not bad. Got the Jordan Trunners, and I believe these have React in them too. Yeah, these got React. Kind of look like the Vapors. The Vapor React, or the Vapor ones. But yeah, the Vapor Streets, I believe. Yeah, 80 bucks, get 20% off. Not bad for some Jordans with React in them. Dang, these Black Cats still here. 10.5, man. Crazy. 70 bucks. Get that 20% off. 10 and a half. Of course, we got the animal threes, you guys. Of course, of course. Got the gray with the mint green. 98s. I guess there's like 11s and 10 and a halfs here. Yeah, go for 90 bucks. I like these. I'm a big fan of these. But yeah, get that 20% off of 95. Not too shabby. I never really see the greatest Air Max deals here. I seem to see those at the Citadel more. But yeah, but still not terrible. Not terrible. Oh, we almost forgot one of those. Okay, next. Okay, apparently these are 99 like a mug. Look at that, man. They got like 3 of them. It's the exact same thing. But yeah, 3 price tags. $99. Get 20% off. The Air Max Clot 97s. Nothing too groundbreaking yet. $130 for these Black History Month 2s. And the size 11s, really not much here. The 270 Reacts going for what, 90 bucks? Get that 20% off. Not the greatest deals in the size 11s today. We'll still look around. I think these are some double strap Jordan 1s. These, I don't know, I'm not a huge fan. The leather quality is actually, I've looked at the leather quality on these and they're actually not bad. That's leather and canvas. At 75, get 20% off. The 312 Legacies, the what do they call these? The Don C's or the 312s, but yeah, going for $79.99, but you get that 20% off, so it's actually a couple dollars cheaper than what I got it for. $69.99, my bad, $69.99, and you get 20% off, so yeah, a little cheaper than what I got it for. Jordan Protro React size 11s. Okay, going for 80 bucks. 80 bucks, the white with the black React on the bottom. It's an interesting colorway. Got these Tailwinds, go for 95. Whoa, we've seen these for way cheaper. Not much in the 11s, you guys. Go check out the 12s. Here you go. What you guys think about these fanny packs, you guys? Fanny packs are coming in, right? And you got that, what the hell? You got fur, I guess? It's just straight fur. But yeah, man, look, peace, love, respect. 15 bucks and you get 20% off. Yeah, those are terrible. I saw those back. We are in the size 12s. Vapor Max 2019's got the gold ones. Go for 110, get that 20% off. Not bad. Got the Kyrie 4s like in the 11s, 12s, 13s. They got them in every colorway pretty much. 4 different colorways. How have these Moon Racers not gone down in price, man? They've been 80 bucks. That's crazy. They're comfy as hell, but I just feel like I got mine for way cheaper. I don't remember the price though. These are called the Internationals. I saw these for the first time a while back. But yeah, apparently some old school running shoes. With that waffle bottom. Yeah, and these are going for what? 40 bucks? 40 bucks and you get 20% off. So is it $32? Not too shabby for the old school. Got the Air Force Max 1s, but we've even seen the Air Force Max 2s now, right? These going for 80 bucks. All right. Get that 20% off, I guess. We saw these Pegasus 35s, man. It's like a Chinese New Year colorway. Yeah, we saw these going for like 50, 60 bucks at the Citadel. That's weird. 75, you get 20% off. Still not bad. Pegasus Turbo 2s go for what? 105? Alright. That's way more than mine. We're in the size 13s, by the way. 129 for that colorway. Back in the size 12s. Look at this. Got another 818, you guys. Another 720 818. Some of you guys were huge fans of these. I don't know about this one. I think the black one looks significantly better. You guys let me know. Black one looks significantly better than this one. Yeah. Damn, look at this. The Jordan High React, you guys. 90 bucks. Holy crap. Oh, I'm dropping shit left and right. Damn, if they had this in my size for this price, oh man, I would totally cop them. Look at that, dude. Holy crap. Because you know why? Because you get that 20% off on top of that. 90 bucks plus 20% off. Not bad. Damn, that's hella good, actually. Not much in the size 13. You guys got the Joyrides right here. These ugly ones going for retail. At least you get 20% off. Like what? Size 13? No, size 15s. The Vomeros. Of course they're gonna go on sale because they're hyper extended size for those. Man, that's crazy. KD Tray 5s. These are like an older one, but hey man, get those for 40 bucks. That's how. Last of the size 13s. Look at these. What, SB Charge? Some SBs, man, going for 30 bucks, and you get 20% off. What's that, like $24? That's crazy. We are in the size 9.5, you guys. The Airspan 2s, kind of a cool looking old school pair of sneakers. Going for 60 bucks, you guys. 60 bucks, and you get 20% off. Not too shabby, you guys. Not too shabby. More back case Tremont 2s going for $130. We've seen this for 100 at a bunch of places, getting that extra discount as well. Lately, it just won't be an outlet trip without seeing a bunch of these Animal 3s, right? Just won't, not the same. This is definitely the first one of these Air Max 97s that we've seen. Wow, the all yellow or metallic gold colorway going for $160. Look, usually I think it's supposed to say retail, but yeah, get them for $160 and you get 20% off. So that's a hell of a deal, dude. Hell of a deal for you Air Max 97 fans. Got the Air Max Plus going for $95 with the digital camo. I feel like I've seen those for way cheaper. Huarache's going for 60 bucks, 20% off. Futura 270s going for 60 bucks, 20% off of those as well. Jordan Pro Strongs. I think a lot of the old school people will like these, right? Because these were cool. These were one of the cooler signature shoes way back when, or non-signature shoes way back when. Go for 75, get that 20% off. Not bad. What are these? The React. These the Gore-Tex React Type GTX. I guess the Gore-Tex. So yeah. Well, I don't know. I've never really seen these, to be really honest with you. Going for 95. They're normally $160, and you get 20% off. So damn near 50% off of these. Not too bad. Not too bad for you outdoor hiking people. And I was like, what? Size 9? I've never seen these before, but yeah, they're going for retail. So it's a one of, and they consider it a premium sneaker. At least you get 20% off. Size 9. I have no clue what these are. If you guys know what these are, let me know. Let me know. I know the style code and stuff because it's written there, but yeah, I've never seen these. 60 bucks. 60 bucks. Size 9s. Get that 20% off. Dang, Fear of God Mocs. How many of those have we seen? Holy crap. I feel like we've seen a lot of these. Size 9s. We do have plenty of 720s. I'll go for 100 bucks. Get 20% off. Airflight Posits. Got the Knicks colorway going for 95. In the size 8.5. Got the China Moon, you guys. LeBron 7 China Moons. Not too bad. Not too bad. Got the Chinese. Who knows what's written there? Oh, I'm sure Chinese people know. But yeah, get that 20% off, you guys. Get $40 off of these. Get them for $160. Not bad, not bad. We've seen these reflectives in so many different sizes. They don't go down in price though. What's up with that? Does everybody still keep buying them at that expensive price? What's up with that? More Animal 3s, you guys. More. 8.5 section got 270. These the React Winters. All black with some, what's that, black camo or something? Okay, that's interesting. 95, 20% off. Normally $160. No comment needed. Another colorway of these 720 818s. We're not even in the 818 no more. I think we're in the 626. But yeah, this one's not bad. It's like an interesting material though. Like, kind of reminds me of like a duvet cover material. That's interesting. But yeah, these are a hell of a lot better than those super shiny ones. Yeah, go for retail. Get that 20% off. The Air Max 1 DNAs. Didn't these just come out? For some reason, I feel like these just came out. The DNAs. Pretty clean. I'm not a huge fan of the green in the bag, but if you like them, $130. Get 20% off. $26 off. Not bad. Got 11 minutes left. Let me try to show you guys as much as I can. Size 8s. We got some Air Max Plus OGs going for 95. Get that 20% off. Air Max Deluxe. These stay at 150, man. Or 105. My bad. These been staying at 105. Have not moved at all. Dang. Got a few LeBron Soldiers, you guys. Size 7. Going for 70 bucks. 70 bucks for those. 70 bucks for these as well. LeBron Soldier 13s. Those look dope. Look like they're TBs. Oh, that one's a TB. I guess that one's not. Pegasus Turbos, 6.5, going for 80 bucks. Get that 20%. All right. All right, I spent a few minutes looking around. Yeah, not really much worth showing, so I'm gonna pay for these. Gonna get out of here and probably be back here before, maybe like on Friday or something. I don't know. Let's wrap it up. All right, thanks for making this to the end of the video, you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys joining till the end. Yeah, that was crazy. That was crazy. I haven't even noticed like whether I buy samples or not, but he looked this one up and it specifically said it's a sample. That's a hell of a deal, you guys. These are buck. These are MSRP is what, 180. They've come out the Pegasus 2s, so you know obviously these are gonna go down in price. I haven't seen these for under. I don't think I've seen it for like under 90, and then 20% off or whatever. So yeah, I ended up paying what, 50 something dollars for these, $55 or something. I'll show you guys the receipt in a sec. But yeah, man, that was crazy, and I wasn't even in the mood to buy anything. But you know, when deals like that come along, I haven't even tried these out. I didn't even try them out because I wanted to get as much footage. I wanted to look around in there as much as I could. So I didn't even try them on. If they don't fit, I'm gonna give them to my pops. I think my pops deserve some comfy ass sneakers as well. So it is what it is. But yeah, thank you so much for joining. Yeah, if you like this video, go ahead, smash that like button. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys go ahead, press that subscribe button, and click on that notification bell, you guys. But yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Peace. And smash out, you guys. There it is, you guys. Right there, just straight up says sample, $60. $60, $12 off, $48. Then obviously add a little for tax or whatever. But yeah, $48, man. That's crazy. Crazy.